Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. On this video I will be reviewing Tresswellness Bikini Star Hard Wax Beads. As you can see, I am using one of my Tresswellness Starter Wax kit pots, and I'm just gonna go ahead and pour some of those beads up in there and let them melt down. So you guys, I did turn the pot all the way up, and I'm going to put the top on there, and yeah, I'm going to let it do its job. So you guys, this is the pack that the beads came in. It says Tresswellness, and it has a thank you card up in there. And it also came with wax sticks. So that was a bonus. So here I am about 30 minutes later, and the wax beads are ready. So you guys, I am stirring up the pot just to mix in the wax that was on the outside of the rim with the wax in the middle. So I'm going to go ahead and turn my pot down to about 158, 160 degrees. And I'm going to let it sit for about 15, 20 minutes. The pot is digital, so it shows as the temperature drops. So I'm going to let my temperature go ahead and drop to about 160, 158. And then I'm going to do a couple of practice wax strips on my arm for you guys. So you guys, as you can see, the green light is on the pot, and it is set at about 156 degrees. So that gives us the go to start waxing. Now, I would advise you guys to do a test strip on the top of your hand or the back of your wrist, just to make sure that it is at the desired temperature and is not too hot for you guys. Now, y'all, I must say I love the consistency of this wax. It goes on very thin. I was taught that that first strip should be so thin you should be able to see through it. That's how you're going to make sure you're getting every hair, and it's going to pick up the thick hairs and the fine hairs. So you go back over it a couple of times just to thicken it up, because the thicker the hair is, the thicker your strip needs to be. But you put on that first strip very thin. So that's a plus, because I was able to do a real thin strip with this wax, and it comes off clean. Y'all, it literally took up every hair that was right there. The hairs were fine, but they are gone compared to the other side of the arm. I was trying to see if you could see the hairs on the strip, but you can't because it's too dark. And the strip did not break, as you can see. It has some elasticity. That is another plus. So y'all, I'm loving this wax so far. Y'all have to try it out. It also dries very quickly, which is another bonus. Now look at those hairs. I know y'all can see those hairs on my upper arm. And I'm going to do a tiny little strip right here, just so that y'all can see that it's pulling up every hair. Voila, it is all gone. Once again, I am using Tresswellness hard wax beads. These are the blue Bikini Star hard wax beads, y'all, and they are getting the job done. I'm going to do one more strip for you guys on a hairy leg, just to give y'all another example of how good the hairs will come up. Y'all, I cannot make this up. Look how bald that little patch is. Y'all, that is surprisingly bald. I know I said I was going to do one more strip just to show y'all, but I couldn't resist doing an underarm wax to give y'all another visual of how this wax pulls up every hair. Once again, I am using Tresswellness Bikini Star hard wax beans, and they are amazing. Like, pretty much all of the hairs are on this strip. I'm trying to give y'all an up close look so that y'all can see those little black hairs on there. I'm going to do one more strip going in the opposite direction just to pick up any fine hairs that are left behind. Y'all, this wax literally goes on like butter, and it dries perfectly, like not too slow, not too fast, just the perfect dry time. So once again, thank you guys for watching. Be sure to check out Tresswellness. I'll put the link to order these hard wax beads in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I hope you guys have an amazing day, night, weekend, whatever it may be. Bye-bye.